Attention affiliate marketers, network marketers, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, dreamers, anybody trying to escape the rat race or your 9 to 5, or even just make ends meet and have some leftover money every single month, okay? Would you rather make $50, $20 sales for $1,000 a month, or one $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 100% commission? You're not splitting the pie with anybody, okay? Now listen. Why you should listen to me and why you should stay to the end of the video? Because of rankings like this. I do this all the time, okay? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 YouTube videos. And there's another one, 5, okay? 5 different videos. And you can see they're different views, okay? Now, there's an Instagram post, 2, and a blog post. 7 different assets, all me. Okay? In a few minutes, I'm going to come back to this the YouTube results. Okay? So you can see it's not just Google. Okay? But Google's a lot harder than YouTube. Okay? Now, if I go to short videos, I'm sure you're going to see some more too. Okay? There you go. Boom. 6 different videos, right? We'll go to regular videos, okay? Long form videos. Boom, boom, boom. 4, 5, 6. All on #1 Google on YouTube, okay? 7, 8. 8 videos, okay? I'm just a messenger, but you can do this. It's the type of elite training. We're not. This is not cash gifting. This is 100% or higher. It commissions to what nobody's holding up. Going straight to your payment processor of choice, whether you want to be paid PayPal, Zelle, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Cash App, Venmo. Okay, we got you covered. Now, this is the high ticket lifestyle bonuses and 5 hidden profit steps, okay? As you can see, this is ready to publish, so I'm going to publish it right now, right in front of you, okay? Before I did that, I want to take this out, right? I want to show you something, okay? This tells you exactly what you need to do to rank this post, okay? I'm going to take it out. Look, it went all the way down to 27, okay? Now I'm going to do it right in front of you. Again, I'm not hiding anything, okay? Now watch, boom, 79. And it's publishing, and now it's saved. Save draft, okay. Now we're going to find out where I was last. High ticket lifestyle bonuses, the psychology behind why marketers fail. The real reason operators fail inside this marketplace has nothing to do with technical barriers. It's driven entirely by deep fear, internal fear, positioning, and the toxic careful tax mindset. Amateurs approach a high-ticket assets with a scarcity frame, trying to start as small as humanly possible. They buy the lowest inventory tier and then wonder why they feel paralyzed when driving traffic. They're terrified the whale will hit their link and expose their lack of qualification shield. This fear completely sabotages their market energy and ensures they never scale. To win this game, you have to value your own time enough to insulate your assets completely from day one. It means get in where you fit in, okay? Wherever's safe, you know? I can tell you to not get gas or to not pay a bill. High ticket lifestyle bonuses, who this is not for. This high ticket framework is absolutely not for the passive tire kicker. If you're looking for a magical push button system with zero work, close this page. This is not a slow monthly commission charity loop for people who refuse to drive traffic. If you're terrified to position yourself at the higher tiers, you will pay the careful tax. Staying at the lowest level means you're choosing to let thousands of dollars leak away. This is not for anyone who wants to treat their business like a hobby while expecting executive payouts. What does that mean? It means this. I'm going to show you right here. 100% free action taker bonus. And the bonus is counting down, right? 47 hours, 3 minutes, and 43 seconds, okay? 48 hours. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you are rewarded with the next level qualification. Join at the 500 level, get no upgrade. This is a no-no zone. No-no spot. Join at the 1500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. Again, you're an action taker. You're going to take action, right? You're here to make money. You're tired of playing around with little $20 commissions. Okay? This is the sweet spot. Get you 230% potential IRI. If somebody buys $3,500 level and you pay $1,500 plus the admin fee, that's $2,000 profit minus the admin fee. That's amazing. That's more than a lot of people make in a month. Okay? Join the 3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Boom, $5,000, but you only paid $3,500. This one, join the 5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus, 100,000 diamond level bonus, the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis, and copy trades right when Justin makes market move. Amazing. Life-changing, okay? No fluff. No cookie cutter, little wimpy commissions. Hefty. You ever seen the commercial? Wimpy, hefty. Get this 48 hours is serious leverage. If I joined the silver level, I'm qualified the the gold level because I took action. I was an action taker. I got on the page. I immediately upgraded. I paid the $1,500 plus the admin fee, and I'm qualified at the $3,500 level. So now I can do $500, $1,500, or $3,500 commissions. And if I refer somebody that joins the diamond level, I still get $3,500 of it. How amazing is that? Because a lot of times, if you're not qualified at the level, you are screwed. Okay, still get $3,500. Okay, and elite top tier training. Okay, how to take your money and make it work for you over and over again, and buy traffic and make even more money. Income disclaimer: not guaranteeing anything. Your results depend on your hard work and your consistency and your ability to follow a proven system. The system works, but will you work it? And will you can keep doing it over and over again? Okay, the easier it gets, I promise you. Like riding a bike. You might have fallen. You might have skinned your knee a few times. But you kept at it, right? And eventually it pays off. Now I promise YouTube results too, right? So look, when I search for this, I get my playlist, and there's a video by me, and there's a postcard lifestyle. There's me again. Postcard lifestyle, me again. And there's me again. Okay, and you could go on and on. But look, boom! I think I said 7 of the top, 7 or 8 in a row, right? Oh yeah, these are the long form videos. These are the short form videos. You see my face over and over again, right? On Google. And I showed you in the beginning what it looks like on just all. Here's the short videos. 6 of them, right? Right at the top. And this is all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 out of 5, okay? That's why you should trust me. Because I'm teaching you, we teach you what works. We're not scared to show you what works. Your success is our success, right? High ticket lifestyle bonuses your first 30 days onboarded. When you make the decision to take ownership, the setup phase is incredibly streamlined. Your first 24 hours are focused entirely on setting up your core merchant links and locking your position. You plug your processing details straight into the centralized corporate tracking database. By week 1, your primary capture systems are live, and you begin deploying the own land traffic strategies. The corporate sales line at 100-771-0769 is fully designed to track your specific identification codes. Okay? By month 1, your funnel is fully seasoned, operating silently in the background while you focus on current expansion. Content expansion. You establish a routine where the automated architecture handles the front-end screening and the back-end closes. High ticket lifestyle bonuses step-by-step decision matrix. Choosing your entry point determines the structural trajectory of your digital asset. If you operate on a tight budget but possess an absolute hustle, silver is your floor. Silver floor gets you in the game, unlocks the initial bump window, and gives you foundational list building tools. If you want to maximize your immediate margins without risking pass-ups, gold is the operational sweet spot. And again, take action. That makes a big difference, because gold and the 48-hour means you can make $5,000, $3,500, $1,500, or even $500 per sale. Okay. Gold insulates your funnel against the middle tier cash leaks and unlocks the path to platinum rights. If you are a professional marketer ready for absolute insurance, Diamond is the only logical choice. Diamond knocks down the private trading signals chat and guarantees you never donate a dime of overflow. You can fund your own traffic over and over again. High ticket lifestyle bonuses, sovereign future vision realized. Imagine waking up 6 months from now with your entire perspective on survival completely deleted. You walk in your office, open your laptop, and check your primary merchant processing screen. While you're out having dinner with your family or traveling the open highways, infrastructure worked. The 100-771-0769 screening filter line filter of the week and corporate closers handle the heavy lifting. A $3,500 strike drops into your processor at a pure automated duplication. You're no longer reacting to bills, stressing over bosses, or panicking over low-ticket scraps. You own your digital land, your list grows daily, and your inventory shield is completely secure. This is what true lifestyle sovereignty feels like when you align with leverage instead of hustle. High-ticket lifestyle bonuses fact. Do I have to pay an administrator on every single high-ticket sale? No. The administrative fee is a one-time payment made when you purchase your product here. That one-time fee recently went down by $200 across the board and covers your the corporate sales for. What happens if I get a $5,000 sale while I'm positioned at the bronze level? You do not lose the whole sale. You keep the $500 qualification amount, and the remaining $4,500 overflow passes up to the next marketer above you. Do I get the actual training products for the gold level when I use the 48-hour silver bump? No. The 48-hour bump bonus gives you the structural qualifications to earn 3,500 commissions. You own and study the silver and bronze trading products until you purchase the gold tier. Stop paying the careful tax by starting too small and bleeding your market capital. Ensure your digital inventory, trigger the 48-hour bump, and own your land. The automated corporate sales force is waiting to close your incoming deals. Lock in your sovereign high-ticket position at the link below. Again, you get your own high-ticket closer, right? How amazing is that? And I've shown you everything. The 48-hour bonuses, right? No bonus at the $500 level. Sweet spot is $1,500. Gets you to the $3,500 level. Now you're gold. If you took action in 48 hours, you're gold qualified, you're silver qualified, and you're bronze qualified. That makes you make $3,500, up to $3,500 per person that you bring in. And yeah, I showed you the rankings on Google and YouTube, okay? I'm showing you literally everything, okay? There's one that hasn't even posted yet. 523. It is. Let me just bring that down real quick. It is 520. That's 3 days from now. But already ranking. That's the power. Okay? Don't be scared to be who you can be. Okay? This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka I can't see it. Friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get with Jay today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.